This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB and Redbus.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
Today's show in this new year is about appreciating and acknowledging a Wonder Woman. At work, of course, there are every single person, every single employee who's got tons of responsibilities around them, and they try to balance it all out. One such person is on the show with me today. Her name is Saira Williams-Alves, and she is my Wonder Woman today. Saira, it's so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Same here. It's my pleasure.
Well, I must wish you Happy New Year.
Wish you the same.
Post-sales Europe desk. And you're a relationship officer. You've been with MMT for over 13 years. That's a really long time. Seems like you have found your place here at MMT. Is that true?
Yes, you can say that. It's completely true. I'm doing what I love.
And that is travel or design travel
I
packaging?
love traveling and I'm attached with the same industry. And
Lovely, which means you also love to go around places, and that is why you find it really exciting to even suggest good places to people.
yes.
Lovely.
Right.
You are based out of Mumbai, and in 13 years, you probably have been one of the few people who've seen the changes that have happened to a travel industry. How it used to be pre-COVID. I mean, yeah, people used to love to travel. What happened during COVID and then post-COVID. What are your thoughts?
People who love to travel, they were like literally holding on during COVID. In spite of having like a COVID certificate, people have actually, like, as soon as the travel started, people like they were just waiting. Domestic though was already on, but for international also, they did everything possible to travel. So travelers, you cannot stop. It is your like a first love.
That is lovely.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त?
You serious?
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
The show is called Wonder Woman, and with me is a relationship officer at the post-sales Europe desk, Saira Williams-Alves, and she's based out of Mumbai. 13 years is a good number, really strong number that she's been with MMT for. Right now, it's time for a Bollywood GK quiz, and you've picked up Bollywood. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Now, this is a song, and you've got to tell me which movie this is from, okay? Nashe se chad gayi hai.
चढ़ गई है. This is Ranveer Singh and movie I don't know, but the actor I know, the Ranveer Singh song.
Oh, Befikre.
Sorry, Befikre.
Yes, no problem.
Ranveer Singh.
And we're moving on to the next question. Give me the lead actress of the film Razi.
Razi, Alia Bhatt.
That is correct. In which movie in the year 2024 Ranbir Kapoor ने double role play किया था?
So I'm really bad with Hindi movies, I think so now. For आज के बाद मैं हिंदी मूवी को नहीं बोलूंगी, बॉलीवुड को.
इसमें मतलब काफी खून खराबा था, काफी वायलेंस था, फिर कंट्रोवर्शियल था. Yes. Which Bollywood actor is famous for the dialogue Mogambo खुश हुआ?
Amrish Puri.
Yes. Which film features the song Chaiya Chaiya?
Shah Rukh Khan and that this one, that Malaika Arora.
So what is the name of the movie now? Come on. It was one of the most beautiful
Dil
soundtracks.
Se.
Alright, which actress is known for playing that iconic role of DDLJ Simran?
Simran yaar, Kajol.
Yeah, that is correct. Do you know who directed Lagan?
Ashutosh Gowarikar.
That is correct. And the last question is, who played the actor in the film Munna Bhai?
Sanjay Dutt.
That is correct. See, not bad at all.
Hi, this is Sanjay Mohan and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
On the show with Saira Salvez, Relationship Officer, Post-Sales Europe Desk, has been with MMT for 13 years now, and she's our Wonder Woman today. Saira, when you started off with MMT and then later on taking up more roles, taking up more projects, what was one of the most toughest projects? And you kind of remember this very clearly because the project was equally important as much as your family was. And you were trying to balance both of them with maybe a little bit of struggle, but you were also enjoying it.
When I started, I joined into international only. Even I was doing all the short hauls, Dubai, Singapore, Thailand, all that. Because it was like a very new project, not only for me, for everybody. Then later when this Europe desk, they introduced Europe, very honestly I was completely zapped. मुझे पता ही नहीं कि कैसे handle करने का, कैसे क्या करने का, कि how to take the trains, and I was like पूरा like a rocket science for me कि ये कहाँ से कैसे लेना. You won't believe I wanted to do it कि नहीं, if I don't want to give up. So even if the passenger takes, even if he buys from you or not, but then you learn so much. Like if next time somebody comes to you, you know exactly what you are talking. The passenger knows you have the knowledge what you are dealing with. So it really was not that easy task. And later, like today, I am into the same department. So it really gives me immense pleasure that what was so difficult for me, today I am doing the same. Till today we are learning. It's not that you know everything. You can claim that, oh, I know everything 100%. No, you are learning every day and you give your best shot. Every day the rules keeps changing. You cannot claim that you know everything. You give your 100%.
Absolutely.
Because you love it.
अब शॉर्ट हॉल्स में सबसे फेवरेट आपकी जगह कौन सी थी, मतलब दिमाग में जब आप लोगों को हेल्प करते थे? व्हाट वाज दैट वन प्लेस दैट यू रियली लव्ड? ओके, थाईलैंड. व्हाट इज सो यूनिक अबाउट थाईलैंड दैट स्टैंड्स आउट?
People have a misconception about Thailand. It's not a destination that a person should take his wife, but it's completely wrong myth. When I was a seller, I have sold honeymooners Thailand. It's so beautiful and it's budget friendly. आप गोवा के प्राइस में थाईलैंड जाके आ सकते थे, तभी तो वैसे था. Now, in fact, what was 12-13 years back, you could not find vegetarian food. Today, you find more Indian restaurant than Thai restaurant. Now, that many veg restaurant and all Indian restaurants are there.
Hi everyone, this is Ankit Khanna and you are listening to Go MT Radio. Head, set, go.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
On the show with Saira Salvez, who's a relationship officer and looks into post-sales Europe desk. Saira, now that you are in control of it, when you look back, were there also other moments where you felt like this was not as difficult as I thought it to be in the beginning, and now maybe I can do more?
Yeah, definitely. It is a vast destination. So many countries are there, but then it's not that difficult. It has the similarity. It has the same currency. It has the same visa procedure.
सबसे बड़ा टीम या प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा आपने हैंडल किया जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था लेकिन आपने हैंडल करके सक्सेसफुली उसे पार कर दिया?
For example, maybe very few people know, like if you are traveling to Europe, you cannot take a British Airways airline because it goes via London. And if you touch London, you need a UK visa. Airport, at the India airport only, they'll stop you. Either you need to buy a fresh ticket. This very small information, many of them don't know. So these are the very small and which had happened, and it was finally sorted out. But then it's not a very complicated thing, but these are very small things which you should know when you make a first call to the passenger. For example, even for the Australia and New Zealand, like if you're going to New Zealand via Australia, you need to have an Australian transit visa. So you cannot travel via. So these are very small things which is you learn only with experience. You do not learn overnight.
यूरोप डेस्टिनेशंस में अगर पिक करें या दुनिया के कोई भी जगह पर अभी डेस्टिनेशन पिक करें तो 2026 में आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा डेस्टिनेशन सबसे अच्छा करने वाला है?
Your desk may always, if you see, even if you open a Make My Trip package, you will first see that is your Switzerland and Paris. They have always on number one on the chart and will always be, because see, when you say France, it's always Eiffel Tower. When you say Switzerland, all the Alps, I mean Jungfrau, you can see Mount, all the snow and beautiful, like a heaven.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
The rapid fire round.
How many days are there in a week?
2.
What is the capital of Switzerland?
Paris.
Okay. What is water made up of?
Ice.
What language do they speak in Yugoslavia?
Hindi.
What do you use a phone for?
I sleep on the phone.
Okay. And the
As
last
a pillow.
Okay. And the last question, what do you see in a mirror?
I see laptop.
Well done. I think you were quite creative and that was really nice of you, Saira. I hope you enjoyed your time too.
Yes, totally.
I did not talk about you being passionate about driving. What is this about?
I love driving. So many times I tell my friends, अगर मैं Make My Trip में नहीं होती तो मैं Uber driver होती. I love that much. Yes, I only drive in the night. I mean, when I drive, I forget everything.
तो ड्राइविंग में आप कौन सी गाड़ियाँ मतलब गाड़ियों में भी शौक रखती हैं कि ऑटोमोबाइल्स भी शौक रखते हो?
I'm driving the biggest car, like a Tata Storm. It's a very big car.
Immense
Passion,
satisfaction
love.
with driving. Not bad.
Yes.
And keep up your love for driving. And I'm sure your girls will also pick it up from you. That's good to always have a skill, especially this one makes you so much more independent. And all the very best again, Saira. Keep up the good work and Happy New Year again.
Wish you the same. Thank you so much.
Wonder Woman Saira Williams Alves, Relationship Officer, Post Sales Europe Desk, based out of Mumbai, on the show with me today. It is a wrap. Time to say goodbye, but I will be back with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep the travel bug on and don't let that beautiful smile wear away.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel. Go MMT Radio. Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.